Well, this is a new cover song from Ragini from Mumbai, and she's a Marathi girl singing my song, one of my most popular songs, Mayavini. So, all my best wishes and my love to her. Go and progress and lead us. Thank you.
মায়াবিনী রাতের বুকুত দেখা পালু তোমার ছবি ধরা দিলা